just finish my yoga workout and then I will for sure.
Okay. Oh wow, what's this? A new remote? I wonder what this button does. Mom, you're frozen! Why aren't you moving? All right, Mom. I'll pause you quick.
Oh, Layla, what are you doing here? I told you I need to finish my yoga workout, then I'll play with you. Can you please go sit down?
Aha, I have an idea. I'll speed up her workout. Wow, Super Mom.
Now.
She'll be done in no time. Wow, it looks like you're done, Mom.
Oh, wow. I guess I am. That went really fast. Huh.
Daddy, look, I found this new cool move.
Yeah. Look it. Mom made cookies. Cheers.
Oh no! What are you guys doing?
Eating these delicious cookies.
No!
For us.
No!
Yeah, good job on these, Mom.
No! These are meant for your class. I made just enough for every student. Now I have to go to the store and get more.
Oh no. I'm feeling kind of bad that we ate all Mommy's cookies. We should have asked first.
I can fix this.
Really?
I found this new remote. We can rewind and fix this.
Really? Let's do it. Wow, the cookies are back. All of them. What else can that remote do?
Let's go find Mommy and find out.
Awesome.
Two?
Hey, what are you up to out here?
Well, I'm just watering my new succulents. You know, I actually got some new succulents. This one is actually very special. I need to tell you all about this one actually first, and then I'll show you some of the other ones.
Oh no, Mom's going on about her flowers again.
I know. Maybe we can mute her.
Good idea.
Yeah, so I got this one at this.
Hey, I think she looks upset. Maybe we should unmute her now. What is she doing? Why is she just spinning around?
I don't know. I can't make her stop.
Here, let me try. Oh no, she's only going faster.
Maybe the batteries ran out.
Good point. I'm gonna go find new batteries. Oh no, I can only find AAA, not the ones we actually need.
Daddy, hurry.
I'm hurrying. Maybe try holding her so she won't spin.
That didn't work.
Found them. Here I come. Oh no. Okay. Done. Here goes nothing. The chicken dance? That's not right.
That didn't work either.
I'm just gonna hit them all. Every button.
Are you okay?
What just happened? Was I doing the chicken dance?
Yep, Layla found this remote control and we were able to control you with it.
And maybe we got a little carried away.
Yeah, we need to be a little more careful and responsible.
I've heard about these, but I'm so glad you all learned to be more careful and responsible.
Yes, we learned our lesson.
But as long as we're careful, I guess it doesn't hurt to have a little bit of fun with it. Family dance